Railway spring manufacturers and global supply chain engineering, metallurgical consultancy and quality assurance. Presented by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Hello everyone, welcome to another technical knowledge sharing session by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Railway transportation is one of the safest and most reliable modes of transport in the world. Behind this outstanding performance are thousands of precision engineered components working together. Among these critical components, railway springs play a vital role in ensuring passenger comfort, operational safety, stability, and long term reliability. Whether it is a high speed passenger train, metro coach, freight wagon, locomotive, or heavy haul railway vehicle, springs are responsible for absorbing shocks, controlling vibrations, distributing loads, and maintaining wheel to track contact. Manufacturing railway springs requires advanced metallurgy, precision engineering, strict quality control, and compliance with international railway standards. In today's video, we will discuss importance of railway springs, types of railway springs, manufacturing process, material selection, heat treatment, metallurgical consultancy, testing and inspection, failure analysis, international standards, supplier quality development, engineering solutions offered by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Let us begin. Importance of railway springs. Railway springs are one of the most critical safety components in rolling stock. Their primary function include absorb shocks from track irregularities, reducing vibration, improving passenger comfort, maintaining wheel alignment, protecting bogie components, reducing wear on wheels and rails, enhancing operational safety, increasing component life. Every railway spring experiences millions of loading cycles during its service life. This makes fatigue resistance one of the most important design considerations. Types of railway springs. Different railway applications require different types of springs. Common railway springs include coil springs, used in bogie suspension systems, helical compression springs, designed to absorb vertical loads, leaf springs, steel used in various freight applications, torsion springs provide rotational force where required, rubber metal springs offer vibrational isolation, air springs support components used in modern passenger coaches, buffer springs absorb impact forces during coupling. Each spring type is designed according to the operational requirements of the railway system. Materials used in railway springs. The performance of a railway spring begins with selecting the correct material. Common materials include high carbon spring steel, chrome silicon steel, chrome vanadium steel, alloy spring steel, microalloy steel. These materials provide high strength, high tensile strength, excellent fatigue resistance, superior toughness, good wear resistance, elastic recovery, long service life. Material chemistry is carefully controlled to minimize harmful elements and ensure consistent mechanical properties. Manufacturing process. The manufacturing process includes several critical stages. Raw material inspection. Steel bars are inspected for chemical composition, surface quality, internal defects. Hot forming. Spring steel is heated and formed into the required geometry. Coiling. Precision machines produce consistent spring dimensions. Heat treatment. Heat treatment is essential for obtaining the desired mechanical properties. Typical processes include hardening, quenching, tempering, stress relieving. Improper heat treatment may cause low fatigue life, cracking, reduced strength, premature failure. Short pinning. Short pinning introduces compressive residual stress. Benefits include increased fatigue life, improved crack resistance, better durability. Grinding. End grinding ensures proper seating and load distribution. Protective coating. Springs receive protective coatings to prevent corrosion. Examples include painting, powder coating, zinc coating, phosphate coating. Metallurgical consultancy. Even with advanced manufacturing, problems may occur. Examples include spring fracture, surface cracks, decarburization, hardness variation, heat treatment defects, fatigue failure, corrosion, excessive deformation. Metallurgical consultancy helps manufacturers identify the root cause of these problems. URGS International assists clients by evaluating raw materials, manufacturing parameters, heat treatment cycles, mechanical properties, macrostructure, quality documentation. This enables sustainable improvements rather than temporary fixes. Then next is testing and inspection. Railway springs undergo extensive testing before approval. Typical tests include chemical analysis, verifies steel composition, tensile testing, measures strength, hardness testing, confirms heat treatment effectiveness, fatigue testing, evaluates surface life under cyclic loading, load testing, checks spring characteristics, dimensional inspection, ensures manufacturing accuracy, macrostructural examination, confirms metallurgical quality, decarburization testing, verifies surface integrity, corrosion testing, assess environmental resistance, non-destructive testing, NDT ensures product reliability without damaging the component. Common techniques include magnetic particle testing, ultrasonic testing, dye penetrant testing, eddy current testing, visual inspection. This inspection detects surface cracks, internal defects, manufacturing discontinuities, heat treatment anomalies. Failure analysis. When springs fail in service, identifying the true cause is essential. Failure analysis includes visual examination, metallography, fractography, chemical analysis, mechanical testing, NDT, root cause analysis. Typical failure include fatigue fracture, corrosion fatigue, stress corrosion cracking, overloading, manufacturing defects, improper heat treatment. A systematic investigation helps prevent recurrence and improves product reliability. International standards. Railway spring manufacturers are expected to comply with internationally recognized standards. Common standards include ISO 9001, ISO/TS 22163, IRIS, EN standards, UIS specifications, AAR standards, customer technical specifications, railway authority requirements. Compliance builds customer confidence and facilitates access to global markets. The next is supplier quality development. The quality of a railway spring depends heavily on the quality of raw materials and outsourced processes. URGS International supports organizations through supplier qualification, vendor audits, manufacturing process audits, process capability assessment, incoming material inspection, corrective and preventive action implementation, supply chain quality improvement. A strong supply chain can lead to consistent manufacturing performance. How URGS supports railway spring manufacturers worldwide. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited offers comprehensive engineering solutions for railway spring manufacturers, including engineering consultancy, metallurgical consultancy, material selection support, failure analysis, root cause investigation, heat treatment optimization, manufacturing process audits, third party inspection, supplier quality development, welding engineering support, mechanical and metallurgical testing coordination, NDT coordination, FAT and SAT witnessing, pre-shipment inspection, technical training, quality assurance consulting, engineering documentation review. Our goal is to help manufacturers improve product quality, reduce failures, optimize production processes, and meet international customer expectations. At last, conclusion and call to action. See, railway springs are vital components that directly influence the safety, comfort, and reliability of railway operations. Their performance depends on proper material selection, advanced metallurgy, precision manufacturing, effective heat treatment, rigorous testing, and continuous quality improvement. With expert engineering support and metallurgical consultancy, manufacturers can reduce defects, extend product life, improve fatigue performance, and strengthen their position in the global railway supply chain. If your organization is looking for engineering consultancy, metallurgical consultancy, failure analysis, third party inspection, supplier quality development, NDT manufacturing process audits, or quality assurance services for railway spring manufacturing, URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited is your trusted engineering partner. We work with railway spring manufacturers, rolling stock manufacturers, railway OEMs, steel producers, forging companies, EPC contractors, and global supply chain partners to deliver world-class engineering and quality solutions. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more technical content on metallurgy, engineering, inspection, testing, quality management, and railway manufacturing technologies. For business inquiries and technical consultancy, contact us, URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile / WhatsApp number is +91 73 59 45 8455. Please contact us through WhatsApp. We are 24/7 available on WhatsApp. Your global engineering partner for inspection, testing, metallurgical consultancy, and manufacturing excellence. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next technical session.